Family business is a fantastic thing. It happened to me because I took birth in a family business. You learn every day, indirectly, because you are seeing the atmosphere, the way to talk, the way to communicate, the pressure, the deadlines, the quality, the government issues, taxation, everything you see every day. Not directly, but indirectly, you absorb what your family as parents or uncles are doing if you are in a joint family. I was fortunate to see that. When I came to Jaipur in 2001, my edible business of family was in Alwar and Khat, and we used to manufacture mustard oil in a large quantity. When I came here, we got an opportunity to start Jaipur Glass and Potteries. It is very simple. When it comes to you, you take it as an opportunity. I do not decide that I will do the family business or I will not do the family business. What came on my way, if I love it, I go for it. And once you go for it, you give your 100%. So I have not chosen to come in IT. It came as an opportunity. I did not plan that I will become an IT technocrat or an entrepreneur and I will start a company. Actually, a first startup of Rajasthan, if you say, to start internet services way back in 1999. This is not the plan. This is an opportunity which came. I saw an ad. I saw it's a good opportunity and I entered into it and became the first IT company to provide services in Rajasthan. That's how it started. It was not a selection between a family or your own. Even my own is a family business, if you see that way. Because family puts in money, family allows you to do it, allows you to have an office, all those things. So it is not about you are just following an opportunity and family supports it. This is truly a very, very good way to start whatever you want to do. Whether you go into family business or not, it doesn't really matter. What you love to do, please go for it. Because I always say, if you are loving your work, you never need to work in your life because you are enjoying life. You are enjoying your work. Challenges kahan nahi hai. Challenges will come if you start your own, and challenges will come if you join a family business. There will be different kind of challenges. For me, starting a first IT ISP company in Rajasthan way back in 1999, I had a different kind of challenges than if you start the same business today. The business which never existed before. So you don't have the experienced manpower, you don't have a knowledge, you don't have internet itself. So you can't Google, you can't have your free emails, you can't have search engines, you can't have e-commerce, you don't have anything, you don't have payment gateways. So you do not have any infrastructure which we leverage today. So it's a different kind of challenge altogether. And of course, the industry is evolving. So the new laws are getting into place, new reporting system, new monitoring system, new security threats, all kind of challenges. So let me tell you, I have worked in every department in the company, whether it is a customer care, whether it is help desk, whether it is accounts, whether it is reception, whether it is going to the customer and installing internet, whether it is managing the servers, whether it is standing with the team whole night and trying to solve a problem which is not allowing us to serve. Many ways, traveling the whole country to identify what to install because you don't know what to install to start the services. So there was no guidance. There is a lot kind of challenges which are very, very different than what it is today. So every tenure, every year, every time will have a different challenge. They will not be same. Circumstances will change the challenges. The key here is not about challenges. Key here is how do you face the challenges. That attitude to face that challenge is going to make you or break you. If you are going to break with the challenges, obviously it's the end of life, end of story. But for your business. But if you are going to face them and sail through, nobody can stop it. No one can stop it. Challenges we need not to worry about. We should face the challenges with a happy face and overcome those challenges as the time progresses. Because challenges is way of life. Challenges have to be faced. Even you walk on a road, you will find challenges. Sun rays, rain, thunder, accidents, गाड़ी पंचर हो गई है, traffic. There are many challenges, but do you stop and go back home, or do you sail through and reach your destination? That's the key which is there. For whether it is a family business of your own, the challenges are going to be very, very different. But we need not to worry about challenges. We need to worry about how do we face the challenges. While doing family business or your own, the support of family is a very important one. I have seen many examples that if you do not have a family support, the success in life in any field becomes a very doubtful situation. My advice to every listener is whatever you want to do, convince your family, get them together, bring them on board, and see those who love you most are with you. It is not worth it to annoy them, to fight with them, and choose your own journey at your own. My belief is that convince them, spend some time. It's okay for few months delay, few days delay, and try to convince everybody and prove that this is what you're trying to do makes sense. And there are many ways. You can create a small project, you can create a small success story, you can have your teachers, your colleagues, your friends, your other family members support you, look at you, discuss with you, show your presentation. The way you are preparing yourself to do your presentation to venture capitalists or mentors or in the groups, do it at home. Convince them. My belief is if you cannot convince on your idea your loved ones, how do you believe that you are able to convince people outside your home? My belief is those people who are in a family, get them together and get them on board. Ask the support. A single penny, what is going to be spent? Some money, some happiness, some time, some space is going to be invested from family. Take them together. I think the success is much more better and much more easier if the family is with you.